G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the 500 size Airwolf from FlishRC. Thought I'd show a little bit of the retract system that comes with this model. Not much else to really say. It's all mechanical, runs off a 12 kilo servo, little SPT, low profile servo. I'll just run it through a couple of cycles so you can see how all the push rods work. It's got a Servo go slow on it to make it look a little bit more scale. Nothing too fancy, works well, hasn't failed yet, touch wood. It's very well set up. Now, the only thing that I can see that was done, apart from using the correct length push rods, is the servo limits in the transmitter were adjusted. Now, that's all done in the Flish factory. I haven't actually had to do anything to this model. So anyway, I thought I'd just share that. And I'll show you quickly what servo it is. I've actually got one of these servos in one of my Tamiya cars for the steering servo in a 2011 Tamiya Avanti. They're a good servo, they work. So anyway, hope that helps, and thanks for watching.